Good morning, Lions. Today is Friday, February 23rd, 2024. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are so excited you're here, and we know this is going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for mostly sunny skies and a high of 63. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having corn dogs, chili pull-apart pizza pockets, and potato wedges. All right, Lions, today's birthdays. We have Abigail Leal Fernandez turning 6 in Miss Kennedy's, Robert Subia turning 8 in Miss Diago's, and Delilah Watson is going to be 5 in Miss Seamus's class. Happy birthday, Lions! And over the weekend, we have Alfonso Magana Roldan turning 10 in Miss Hills. And on Sunday, Zayden Lindbeck will be turning 11 in Miss Zendejas' class, and Mia Zamora will be 10 in Miss Hills. Happy birthday, Lions! All right. Attendance. Another amazing day for attendance. We had only 18 absences, 39 tardies. That was 500 out of 518, 97% again. Lions, amazing job. Here are all the classes with perfect attendance. Barcelos, Charrington, Diaz, Gengrass, Hill, Holland, Hope, Kennedy, Shiloh, and Zoida. Great job, guys. Keep up the great work on attendance because when we are at school, we are learning, right? And there are multiple ways we learn at school every day. It might be learning how to read or learning how to understand what we read. It could be learning how to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. It also could be learning how to behave on the playground, in the cafeteria, okay? So today is PE. Today is a PE day. Remember, Lions, PE is not recess, right? It is your classroom. There are expectations of behavior, and you need to roar there no differently than you roar in your everyday classroom. Okay? Soccer, Lions, I finally got to go out and see soccer yesterday, but I had to leave really quickly before I got the results. When I left the girls' game, it was 0-0. And I believe our boys were winning. But let me know, how did we do yesterday? Are we still undefeated? All right, and now a lot of you have asked, what happens if we win, like the league? What happens is that you get a medal. Every member of the team gets a medal and a certificate, and we'll hand them out to you at the rally. And the rally will be the Friday before we go on spring break. So I believe it's the 22nd. I'll double check the date, but it'll be that day. All right, Lions. As a reminder, too, our trimester 2 ends next week. Next Friday is the end of the trimester on March 1st. And so your teachers are working on preparing your report cards to go home after that. And then we'll have parent conferences, and then we'll get ready for spring break. All right, Lions. And as a reminder also, Lions, Read Across America is coming. It is going to be the first full week of March. And so Mrs. Mongallo and I are working on getting some fun activities together for you guys, some dress-up days, and really focused on reading. All right, and then the book fair will also be coming up before we go out on spring, or just as we come back from spring break. So that's coming up as well. Just a reminder, Lions, you are not to come to the office or the nurse's office, okay, without a pass. We're going to send you back. You need to have a pass to say why you're here. If you do not have a pass, you're going to be told, do not come in. Go back and get a pass. Too many of you think that you can just freely run in here and find out what's going on, or you see something happening. Not acceptable, Lions. Okay? Not acceptable. All right, Lions. Trivia challenge. Yesterday, when did legendary Michael Jordan retired from the NBA? How many championships did he win? He had 6 when he retired. Thank you, Wyndon Kendrick. You're the first person to get that to us yesterday morning. Michael Jordan had 6 championships. All right. Here's your question for today. We aren't the only country that celebrates Black History Month. What 3 countries, so the United States is one of them, what are the other 2 who celebrate Black History Month? Okay? All right, Lions. And reminder, we are focused on respect for the remainder of February. And one of the ways to be respectful is to be honest. And so we have some of you making up stories and passing them around as if they're true. or telling lies on each other to get yourself out of trouble. That is a major character flaw, Lions. That is not something that shows good character. That is not how we roar, right? So we need to work on owning up to our mistakes and take responsibility and consequences for those mistakes. All right, Lions. And so we're going to be working quite a bit on that this month and going into next month when we talk about being on task. So, all right, Lions, I think that's all I have for this fabulous Friday. Just as a reminder, Lions, Miss Amy is not here today. So if you come in looking for her, she is not here. Reminder too, that means that we're down one person in the office. So that's another reason that you only need to come in here with a pass, because we don't have time, okay, to be dealing with people who just want to come in to say hi. Okay, we're not doing that. All right, Lions, we've got business to take care of today. Remember, we are one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident. It's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it is now time for the flag salute.